Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we format a row in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, what is format cells? What is formatting a row? So to format it, first we have to select a cell in a row which we want to format. So let's take an example. I'm selecting this one and just click on home, and in the cells group you will see this format button. Just click on it and here you will see row height, autofill row height. Just select in row height and here you can fix this height of the row. Like for example, by default it's 21, so I am typing here 15 and just press enter. As you can see, this height becomes less. So again, if you want to increase the height, so I would just select it, click on home, go to format and row height, and this time I'm selecting 40 and enter. Again home, format, row height and 60, enter. So guys, as you can see here, we can just change our height of the row. That's complete row, not even a cell, for a complete row. Now let's suppose you can do this by here by adjusting this one. Get it? You can also adjust it from here. So like you are adjusting and you want to fix this same for all, and you're not sure that they are having the same height or not, then you have to do is you just select all the cells and click on home, format and auto fill row height. Then this all will be selected as the by default which they used to be earlier. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.